Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. The following conversation is about layoffs and changes in the company between Sandra and her colleague Jim. So let's get started. I have been hearing rumors currently with regard to layoffs in our department. Is it true? That's quite concerning. Everyone seems panicked. Where exactly did you hear that from? Just whispers around. Have you heard anything you'd like to share? No, I haven't. But the company has been initiating lately. Do you think it's going to happen? I'm not sure about it, but the uncertainty is making me, as well as to some of our colleagues, quite nervous. What about you? How are you feeling about it? I have somewhat different feelings. I try not to worry about things I just can't control. Have you considered updating your resume? Not yet. What's your opinion? Do you think I should? It's always good to be prepared. Could you tell me about your key accomplishments and achievements here? I have led a few successful projects with my efforts and consistency. I believe that I should document those better. Great. By the way, have you thought about discussing the rumors with the manager? It might make me feel paranoid. I'm afraid. What's your opinion about that? It certainly put a good impression if you approach him professionally, asking about the department's future. It always shows a good initiative, truly, from your point of view. The next conversation is about hosting a game night between Sandra and Jim. I'm thinking about hosting a game night. What's your idea about that? Have you ever done that sort of a get together? Yes, I host them quite regularly. It carries a lot of fun. What specific game are you thinking about? I'm not sure about any particular game. What's your idea? What games work well for a group? It certainly depends on the size of group. How many people have you decided to invite? I was initially thinking about 6 to 8 people. Any suggestion for that size? Games like Codenames or Ticket to Ride seemingly work well for that number. Have you ever played those? I have heard about Ticket to Ride, but never played it. Is it complicated? Is it complicated? Not at all. It's fairly easy to learn. Have you thought about having a mix of game types? What do you mean by that? Like having some strategy games, some party games, and maybe a cooperative game. Have you planned to serve coffee or snacks to the invitees? Not yet. What kind of snacks work well for game night? Anything that's light and easy to eat while playing. Have you considered about seating arrangements and comfort for the invitees? The next conversation is between Bob and Erica as to how to apply for a visa. I need to apply for a visa for my study program abroad. Do you have any knowledge about that? That's really an exciting opportunity. Do you have any previous experience of applying for visa? By the way, What type of visa do you need? I think it's a student visa. Primarily, the purpose of the program is educational, yet I'm not sure about the process. Have you ever applied for a visa? Yes, I applied for my work exchange last year. However, it can be a bit complex. What type of documents have you gathered so far? Just my passport so far. What else do I need to submit? You will need to submit proof of acceptance, your financial statements, your valid ID, and more. Do you want to make a checklist together? That would be really helpful. Can you tell me as to how long does the process normally take? It varies by country, where there are certain rules and requirements one has to follow. Yet, it's best to start early. Let's look up the specific requirements for your destination. So that's all for today. Hope to join you soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.